Ever wondered why your indoor plants aren't thriving despite all your efforts? Well, the answer might lie in the nutrition they're receiving, or rather, not receiving. Enter Miracle Grow Indoor Plant Food Spikes, an easy and efficient solution to ensure your plants get all the nutrients they need. These spikes are packed with essential nutrients designed specifically for houseplants. They deliver a slow, continuous supply of nutrients directly to the root zone of your plants. This ensures that your plant babies get the nourishment they need, right when they need it. One of the key features of these spikes is their easy-to-use design. You just need to make a hole in the soil with the included plastic spike, insert the plant food spike, and then push the soil back around it. It's as simple as that. No need to measure or mix anything. These spikes are enriched with micronutrients that are not commonly found in ordinary plant food. They include iron, manganese, and zinc, which are crucial for plant health. These micronutrients help in promoting lush, vibrant foliage and beautiful blooms, making your indoor plants look healthier and more vibrant. Another great feature of Miracle Grow Indoor Plant Food Spikes is their slow-release formula. This means that each spike feeds your plants for up to 2 months. This long-lasting supply of nutrients is ideal for the busy plant parent who might not have the time to fertilize their plants regularly. What's more, these spikes are safe for all houseplants when used as directed. So, whether you're nurturing a delicate fern or a robust rubber plant, you can trust Miracle Grow to provide the right balance of nutrients. Now, imagine your indoor garden thriving, your plants bursting with life, their leaves a vibrant green and their blooms a riot of colors. With Miracle Grow Indoor Plant Food Spikes, that vision is not far from reality. So why not give these plant food spikes a shot? Let your indoor plants experience the Miracle Grow difference. Invest in their health and watch them thrive. Remember, a well-nourished plant is a happy plant, and a happy plant makes for a happy home. Make the smart choice today for the love of your plants. Give them the miracle they deserve. Give them Miracle Grow Indoor Plant Food Spikes.